How to remove suggested messages on Instagram. To remove suggested messages on Instagram, you simply need to follow these 2 steps. For the first step, open Instagram and make sure that you are logged in to your account. From the bottom panel, go to your profile section and tap on the 3-line icon at the top right corner. In Settings and Activity, scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. Here you should see the option Response Suggestion. On this interface, you should see the option Saved Replies. Make sure that you turn it off. Now for the second step, go to Saved Replies. On this interface, you can simply save responses to respond quickly. To set your responses, you should see the option Frequently Asked Questions here. Click on that option. Now add questions that you receive mostly. After that, you can type the answer. That's all for today. Thank you.